Kids, good morning. I'm sorry I'm a little bit sick, but today we're gonna be learning about fractions. So, as you guys been working on ST Math when we were on the class, these fractions is like this one: 1.5, 1/3, 1/4. Remember, the bottom part is in how many pieces the object is divided. Okay, so let's read the directions. Mr. Perez baked an apple pie. Her family ate half of it. Half of it, remember, of the dessert. The family ate the other half. So they already eat one half and the family ate the other half for an evening snack. So how much of the pie was left? Write the fraction in the box. Okay, we see the fraction over here on this box. So if the family already eat one fraction, one half, then the other family eat the other half. So how much is left? Okay, if I take this part and the family take this part, how much is left? 0. So we don't have nothing. 0. We don't have nothing left. Remember again, the bottom part is on what parts and how many parts the object is divided. Look, like this watermelon. Let's read the directions first. Sonia cut a watermelon. I'm so sorry, guys. If you didn't understand, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to do it again tomorrow. If I feel better, okay? Okay. Sonia cut a watermelon into 8 equal parts. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She ate 3 pieces, and Nikki ate 2 pieces. What fractions of the melon is left? Okay, first of all, how many pieces is 8? So remember, it is 8 on this part. So it's gonna be 8. The first part is gonna be I'm sorry guys. So it is divided in 8 parts. So she eat 3 pieces and Nikki eat 2 pieces. So how many pieces they eat in total? 5. So they eat 5 eighths. So what is left? If they eat 5 eighths and it is 8, what do you have to do? We have to do what is left. So we have how many pieces? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that they already have it eaten. So what we have left? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. And how many pieces were in total? 8. So we have 8 left. The assignments that I give it to you is kind of the same. So you just need to look at it. I want to show you guys this part. Okay, you don't have to do nothing. I just want to show you because it is talking about fractions. When we say 1 of 1, it means like it is full covered in color. We say 1/2, remember. Now how many parts the circle is divided? 1, 2. And how many parts I shade? Only 1. So this one is 1/2. This one, now how many parts the circle is divided? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 on the bottom. How many parts are shade? Only 1. So 1, 4. On this one, the same. It is divided on 3 parts. Do you see it? And it is divided only 1. One of the assignments that I give it to you, it is asking you to do the same, to see what is the fraction that it is shaded. So you need to do the same as this ones. Okay? This one is the same. It is asking you how many parts. Again, the bottom part is on how many parts the circle is divided. How many? 5. How many are shaded? 1. Okay, guys? So please listen to them. Don't be guessing. You have to do the assignments for the whole week. Today I'm gonna give you 4 assignments. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you the next assignment. So please don't guessing. You need to do your work, okay? And don't forget that you need to go into Imagine Learning and you need to work at least half minute, 30 minutes, and also on estimate 30 minutes each day. Okay, see you guys. I think we're gonna have a live tomorrow. Okay, bye.